In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to instantly fix Gemini Nano Banana aspect ratio problems when creating images, and it's 100% legit. Have you ever found yourself struggling with aspect ratios when working with your images? If so, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into the steps to resolve this issue efficiently. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and hit Enter. This will lead you to the search results page where you'll spot the Google Gemini website. Click on that link to proceed. Once you're on the Google Gemini website, you'll notice a plus sign icon, usually located at the top of the page. Clicking on this plus sign will allow you to upload your original image, so go ahead and select the image you'd like to work with. This is where the magic happens. After uploading your image, you'll see an option to make a prompt. Let's add a little fun here. Type in a prompt like, "Put a dinosaur in the picture." Feel free to be creative, as this step is mainly to set the groundwork for your edits while still allowing for playful experimentation. With your prompt ready, click the Submit button. The system will then start processing your image based on the modifications you've suggested in your prompt. Now, let's say you want to adjust your image to a 16:9 aspect ratio. This is a common format used for a variety of media, from widescreen TVs to films and photography. Begin by clicking the plus sign icon once again to upload a second photo that already has a 16:9 aspect ratio. This will serve as a reference guide for your existing project. As the next prompt, instruct the system to use this picture as the reference for final aspect ratio and fill the area that wasn't shown in the original picture. This guides the system to adapt your original image to the new dimensions, making sure everything is proportionally corrected and visually consistent. Finally, once everything is set up, click on Submit again, and there you have it. Your image will now be adjusted to the desired aspect ratio using the reference photo. It's quick, simple, and ensures your image looks just the way you want it. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly fix aspect ratio issues in Gemini Nano Banana projects with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your digital content. Have a great day.